Good morning, welcome back to my moving diaries. Today we're gonna get the desk set up so that I can work from here, stream from here, do all of that. So I'm really excited to get that done today. The last thing I needed to arrive before I could start doing this came yesterday. So we're gonna clear this table and get it all set up. So come with me, let's do it together. We got a nice clean desk, just the PC and the mic arm that's still attached. So this is what I was waiting on. It's a double monitor arm. So let's get this opened up and set up. Woo. I've done it into the wrong one. Oh my god. That part is done. Now I've got to get it onto the desk. So I need to work out where it needs to go because this has to be on the desk, which means it's kind of off center. Here's one of my monitors. So this needs to be like held here. And I think this needs to be here. Alright. That's done. I'm just loosening this middle part so it can actually fit onto the mount. That's not going anywhere. Those are the cable clips, so you can run the cable through and hopefully it's not like too messy. Now we can attach these to the back of the monitors. So let's just start with one. This isn't gonna fit unless I can do it this way. Hold on. It wants me to use a spacer. I don't really see why though. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna put them in normally. Let's try and get this monitor on now. So you basically just slide it on, screw it with like a security nut underneath. There you go. That's one done. Cool. Time to do the other. They're up, the two monitors are up. Looks good so far. I'm just gonna give the desk a wipe. And now we can start getting the things back. So start with this microphone, my stream deck with the white stand that I painted. Got my Logitech keyboard and wrist rest. By the way, if you want a full PC setup tour video, I can do that. Let me know in the comments. It's cute. Oh, my mouse, little bear mouse pad as well. So cute. This is like an iridescent, what are they called? Coaster. I just think it looks nice, it's like an oil spill. And then I've got my Deku Funko Pops. I think I'm just gonna keep them on top of my PC. Honestly, I think it's cute. And then I've got my Alexa to put back as well. I think she's just gonna go in the corner. I have this little Tanjiro as well, but he doesn't stand with ease because he doesn't have like a stand. So I don't know. I can put him here. He might be okay, he'll probably fall off though. And I've got this little Hello Kitty. This is the smallest little mug ever. It's tiny, like you can't even drink out of it really. But I just keep like hair clips and things that I might need whilst I'm on stream. And it's cute, so I put that here. In fact, let's put this over in this corner. I think that's nicer. I have, this is my old Switch dock. My new Switch, because of the case that it's in, it doesn't actually fit in here anymore. But the other one, the other dock I have that's in my living room is white. So it would match this perfectly. But then it means the only time I could play Switch on the TV, I'd have to play it here. I'm gonna get it because I just feel like it actually would look nicer in here. Look at that, that is so much nicer for this desk. It's already fallen off. It's looking good. I still gotta plug everything in, but I'm gonna do that another time. I need extension leads before I can really do any of that. I can plug in the basic stuff. I can plug in enough to do a stream, I think, but if I wanted everything plugged in, then you need some extension cords. I have this little Cinema Roll phone stand. I don't know where to keep this because I feel like I want it on my right side, but then I also feel like there's more going on the right side than there is on the left. So then I don't really want to do that. I'm gonna just put here maybe. Cute. This is a little handmade mouse and dog that my dad gave me. I've got to put him somewhere. Let me just put him right here. That's kind of it, I guess. That's the vibe set up. The only other thing really is this is what I used to put my camera on. It attaches to the middle part of this. And then the camera goes there, if that makes sense. I wish that was white, but whatever. It's really heavy duty, so it was expensive, so I'm definitely not buying another one just for the sake of it being white. I could maybe, I don't know if I could cover it up a little bit. There we go. And then these are the headphones I use, my AirPods. Just hang them on there. These are my backup headphones, which I always end up needing. So I think let's get it plugged in. The monitors, the PC, the keyboard, the mouse, and anything that can go into the PC. So that's the PC. Gotta find the monitor cables, screen, and source. So that's going in here. No, I still need to plug in the monitor actual power supply. Plugs. One, don't like that. Alright, cool, there we go. Plug in my mouse, keyboard. That's it for now, I think. Let's bring chair back in. Alright, it's the moment of truth. That's it, my PC is all set up. I still need to get like Ethernet cable for a better connection and little things like that, like little cable upgrades. But I like it, it's giving simple, which is what I wanted because my last one was so overcluttered and it was cute because it was kind of maximalist, but it's nice going from maximalist to minimalist. A little bit, it's not like completely minimal, but I hope you like it. This is definitely gonna change over time as I grow, so I'll bring you with me, we can grow together. But I hope you like it. I think it was easy. It's so fun setting stuff up like this because now I have a whole desk that I can do stuff from and I love it. So if you want me to do a detailed PC setup tour, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely film that for you. Especially with getting some new stuff in the next coming weeks, it's probably a good time to film something like that. So let me know if that's something that you want to see. Otherwise, I will see you next Saturday for another episode of Moving Diaries. Thanks so much for doing this with us and I'll see you again next week. Bye!